Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Kia Stonic. One owner only, fully maintained and serviced at the official dealer, and the condition, guys, is absolutely fantastic. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Kia Stonic is a compact SUV from Kia, which is very, very economical in terms of fuel consumption, in terms of road tax, only 300 plus, and very easy in terms of maintenance. The color is really fantastic, super bright yellow, and this is factory paintwork in fantastic condition, guys. Look at the sport trims, very sexy. This car is fully maintained at the official dealer. It just went for servicing like 2 days ago. Now let's check out the boot space. Okay, the boot space, I cannot say it's mega super big, but at the same time, it is really sufficient for your daily needs, and it can even fit a large luggage. And of course, the rear benches can be folded to create even more room. Now, behind, fairly spacious for a rear passenger, leather in absolutely fantastic condition. Seriously, guys, the rear seats are as good as new. In fact, all this protective plastic haven't even peeled before. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice looking cabin. First thing first, we have 3-spoke steering wheel, full leather, very nice to hold. The leather is in fantastic condition. I really like that it's curved here, very sporty, multifunctional as well. Nice speedometer cluster. We have, I really like it, sporty, traditional, classic with red color needles, and center display is for you to show different information as well. This is your infotainment screen. Of course, it is touchscreen. As you can see, it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a very super clear reverse camera. Also, your aircon controls are here, simple and intuitive. By the way, one thing I like about this infotainment system, that we also have shortcut buttons here that you can press to access different menu options, not only the touchscreen itself. Your gear selector is here, traditional. I like this. Leather boot, very nice, and the condition of the leather is really truly fantastic, guys. Handbrake that you can pull, super tight, super reliable. Here we have a couple of cup holders, comfortable for your elbow, very beautiful contrast stitching as well, and some storage also. Look at the condition of the seats, guys. Really, this car had been superbly well taken care of. Look at all this plastic. I mean, wow. This is like my charm from factory. And also this protective film also haven't peeled. I let you peel to have this brand new car buying experience. And over here we have a space to store your sunglasses. Very useful in Singapore. And of course, sunroof. Have another look. Okay, guys. Kia Stonics are very popular. In fact, recently we've sold about 4 of them, and they were sold so fast even before I managed to take a video for them. So this time I never waste time. Car yesterday come, today I take the video to post for you tonight. Alright, in terms of COE, we have 3 years left. Condition is truly fantastic. I think you go view every unit on the market, you'll come back and want to buy this by the time it's gone. Really, guys, superb condition unit. Very, very nice. Viewing is available daily in our showroom. You all know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.